Hey, what's up guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have something very nice to show you all. So till now you might have seen many TWS earphones, truly wireless stereo earbuds and all that, but right now on my desk I have a special TWS wireless Bluetooth speakers. Yep, we get two Bluetooth speakers in the box which can pair with each other and offer a truly wireless stereo experience on a budget. That sounds awesome, right? So these TWS Bluetooth speakers are made by Boult Audio and the model is called as Vibe. As you can see, we've got a picture of the product over here with two individual speakers to offer a true stereo experience. Let's see what else is written on the box packing. Okay, we've got some of its features mentioned over here. Let me show you. They produce deep bass with HD sound, come with a free charging tray, has unique LED lighting, support Bluetooth V 4.2, can produce a max output of 5 watts, has built-in micro woofers, and come with a 1-year warranty. So those were some of its highlights. That's it guys, there's nothing much written on it. So let's get started with the unboxing. The outer cover slides out like this and on the inside we've got another black box. There's nothing written on it, let's just open it and check out the product. Well, here it is, the Boult Vibe TWS Bluetooth speaker. As you can see, we've got these two mini Bluetooth speakers at the top, and the best thing about them is you can either use them as separate mono speakers or pair them together for true stereo experience. The choice is up to you. Let me just keep them aside and see what else do we get in the box. Okay, looks like we've got some accessories over here. Let's check them out. So this is that charging pad that you get free in the box. You can simply place the speakers on the pad and even use them during charging. And along with that, you get a regular USB cable, so you can also charge the speakers directly without the pad. Now that's a very good thing. And finally, you get some paperwork which includes a user manual and a warranty card. Just make sure to read them for all the info on the product. So these were all the items you got in the package. Now let's finally check out the product. First we'll talk about the speakers and then I'll show you the charging pad. Both the Boult Vibe speakers have an identical design. They've got a compact, portable design with a cylindrical shape and look pretty good. They're also not that heavy, feel quite lightweight so you can easily carry them anywhere. Talking about the build quality is nice. The body is made of high quality plastic and has soft silicone-like rubberized material all over it. Going to the top, there's a metal grill under which we've got a driver which can produce around 2.5 watts of output. And on the bottom side, it's got a very unique design with a ring-like structure all around it. That's actually a carabiner hook guys and comes out like this. So using this, you can easily clip it onto your backpack, wall or even your belt. Very convenient and is great during outdoor travel. And below that, over here we've got some controls. Let me show you. You've got two charging contacts, so whenever you place them on the charging pad, they automatically start charging. Beside that, we've got a rubber flap under which there's a micro USB port, so you can even charge these speakers directly without the need of the charging pad. And there's only one button on the speaker, which is the power button. There's also a status LED indicator just beside the button. Well, that's it, that was our complete overview on the speakers. Both of them have exactly the same design, same controls and everything. So let me just keep them aside and now show you the charging pad. This is how it looks like. The build quality is good, it's got that same soft silicone-like material all over the body, feels nice to touch. And as you can see, it's got these two slots over here to place both the speakers at the same time. And has a backlit illuminated Boult Audio logo just below that. It glows up whenever you're charging the speaker. And going to the back side, we've got some details regarding the product. We even have some rubber foot pads on both the sides. Talking about the ports, there's only one micro USB port over here for charging the speakers. Well, that was our look at the charging pad. Now let me just put the speakers on this pad and show you how it looks like. Oh guys, these are actually magnetic and sit perfectly in the slots. And since they are magnetic, the chances of the speakers falling out of the pad are also very minimum. So that was our complete look at the design and the build quality. Now what I'll do is I'll just power them on, pair them with my phone, play some music and show you the audio quality. Pairing process is very simple guys. To use them in the TWS mode, power on both the speakers one by one. Just press and hold the power button for about 2 to 3 seconds, and as soon as you do that, you can see the Boult Audio logo lights up in white color and gives a nice look to the speaker. Let's just keep that aside and also power on the second one. There you go. Now you don't need to do anything guys, just wait for a few seconds and the speakers will automatically pair with each other. And that's it, you're all ready to use them. Alright, now let me just play some song and check out the audio quality. Nice, the audio quality sounds pretty good on these speakers. The Boult Audio Vibe speakers might look small, but they definitely pack a punch. The mids were crisp and clear, the vocals sounded warm and mellow, and all the dialogues were easily understandable with good clarity. Talking about the high frequency response, the treble quality was also good. Felt smooth and nice. Coming to the bass was okay. I felt it was not that great. It only had the right amount of bass. But again, you can't expect that punchy bass from such a small form factor. On the overall, the audio quality was nice and satisfactory for the price point. Especially since these are TWS speakers, the stereo separation was very good and the audio felt much natural than what you would hear on a single Bluetooth speaker. Talking about the output, to be honest, I totally didn't expect these mini speakers could produce that loud sound. It was easily producing around 5 to 6 watts of output and was more than enough to enjoy music in a mid-sized room. The distortion was also minimum up to 85% volume level. Everything about the speaker was good, but I faced a few problems with this product during my testing. The first one is with the Bluetooth connectivity. The Bluetooth connection was not that stable. The speakers were getting disconnected from the devices randomly without any reason. It was happening rarely though, but I did notice that issue quite a few times. The second is while watching videos or streaming movies with the speaker, I observed a slight delay between the video and the audio. They were not playing in sync together. Just check out this video guys, so you'll get an idea on what I'm talking about. Today I have something very interesting to show you all. As you can see, we've got so many gimbals over here. These gimbals are made for a variety of platforms. So these were the only two issues I found with this product, and I hope the company could solve them as soon as possible. Apart from that, everything else was great. Now coming to the battery life was good. On an average, while listening to music at 70% volume level, I was easily getting a continuous playtime of around 5 to 6 hours. And charging both the speakers together using the charging pad took around 3.5 to 4 hours. Well, that was my review on Boult Audio's Vibe truly wireless stereo Bluetooth speakers. The build quality is also good, love the LED lighting as well as the audio quality. The Boult Audio Vibe costs around 2,499 rupees. I'll just leave a link to that in the description box below. You can check it out there. So that was it for today. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you in the next one.